Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hey, you no get nobody where you want for this Facebook. You cannot want nobody. You know why? We all judge you by what comes out from your mouth. You understand? Where 5 people stand and say what this person did was wrong, you supposed to take correction. Not be say you still on the argue. They put more fire to make it worse. You don't get anybody where you won't send a serious warning to, not to call your name or even say things that you do that was not correct. We try to correct you that this thing that you did, my sister, this was wrong. Kate, more talk at one. Let me tell you where you get it wrong. You are coming to someone's party, Kate. Someone invites you. A person you claim you like so much. You carry something to eat and drink, follow body. Get it to that party. You claim, say, now so you were busy. You not get time. You drove 4 hours. Me, I drove 7 hours before I reached there. 7 hours. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my darling. You understand? Thank you to her. Who get it? Me from Bayan go this way per day. It's almost 7 hours, 6 hours plus before I reach there. And that 6 hours plus before I reach there, I bought something on the way to eat. When I still reach there, I still request for food. You understand? Because when you go to celebrate with somebody with a full heart, and plus when you go to celebrate, you know, say your mind not really there, but you just want to go based on say, you know how many people when they talk, say you not go there. There is it's a two different thing. Okay, Kate, I'm not here to judge, but let me tell you what you did that was not correct, okay? Because if other people are scared to talk to you, I myself am not scared. You understand? Because I'm judging you based on what comes out from your mouth, Kate. Listen, you went to a party, you carry something to eat. Fine, you have right to do all that. But to us, we see you, we hear you say you talk, and are you talking? Not be saying that person record you say you can't eat or drink. The person can't record you say, Kate not even eat for a party. Now what it comes out from your mouth, now we take judge you. You understand? Now your mouth now it come out from one way. Everything now your mouth the thing come out from. Nobody ask you. Now you use your mouth, tell us say you carry something to drink, go there. That was wrong, my dear sister. If you really like, we are not saying this for a part to be angry of you or maybe in a part one more way. In my ties everywhere, we don't want me another person called to copy this kind of way you do. If you don't want to go, no go. You see like the way your partner in quarrel not come. Maybe nobody say she not come based on say she not like it, but she just cannot meet up with the time. You understand? If you don't want to come, no come, they not go beat you. A singer no tell me baby they no marry. You see I say they beat her. A part no even verse. Even when they say me they don't play the guy music, a part say no, me they play. A part no verse. A part no get time. It's better than to come to someone party. You could not even taste the food or even drink. That was wrong, my dear sister. On my before we ran Esther Tosho na be me di party. No ayati over here koko where Esther Tosho. I call you, not even greet me. You put that woman on a video. You start videoing her, pouring insult on her while she was sitting down with her husband. My dear sister Kate, that was also wrong too. You are a live video presenter as Esther. There are some certain things you should not do to your fellow live video presenter. Okay, let's leave the live video presenter aside. Let us reason it as a human, as a full-grown woman, as a married woman. A woman is sitting close to her husband. You put a record to her, say, you not greet me. Madam one is totally wrong. You don't treat people like that. You don't treat people like that. Now that you see people come out to say, this thing what you do so not good, apologize. Now you still use your mouth talking for the same video what you do. Not be me they tell you now. Now you use your mouth talk and say you drink, una drink where before una reach there. Una still they drink now to go back. Simple, I'm sorry, I was a little bit high. It's a normal thing. If you did it with a tixi, this thing, I was kind of high. I did not know. I'm sorry. Finish. Sorry, not the key person. Here we can temata. My dear sister, your video this morning, I watch her. Uwa mwebo gbe viewers. Una mwebo gbe manove we live video no we pronouncing we no do tema tamawe. My dear sister, e boni on lelewe. O ilelewe bo bi o lelewe va van lewe wa bi yoro be lelewe wa bi avie. But una mwebo gbe ni body una we nu ya we gbe zeme me no laja wo no we. You see use a raw body, no insult anybody. Of me gbe be go we aro. But when I would go do money na base dey abi wo ya so ni e. Una we nu mu gbe ma. We ne mana do tema tamawe we ge ke no do na my dear sister Emma. E boni o hin agu we bi aro. You understand? Because my sister, it was very, very bad. It was very bad. You get a point to me? It was very bad. Even in a bedroom where we were very safe. I may fear cake with bar. I fear cake before a Rita cake bar. I fear cake before a Esther talk show cake bar. I fear cake before a musician even to make cake or genocide give you a cake bar. We might be able to see when I free cake with cake bar. Are you birthday video? The gaggle button at Temata. Uriye birthday oma. Am I fear cake? That's wrong. That's not. You just can't come tafia. You not come for bed dinner tafia. You can't do more. Talk through me devil shame. It day your body. It day your talk. You cannot just leave someone. Okay, let's go to Odionosike because I don't want to take too much time. I just want it small point for you. Then you will sit down by yourself, go reason. Imagine don't see a bonus, small point. I want it for you. Just imagine the way you and Sandra. Although me no say Sandra. Sarah be Sarah. Kyo Dunusage wa ake Sarah be derio. O gili ake Sarah. O gili ake Sarah. Then an army we war push Sarah and wapa. O ko yari kyo o Dunusage o ko yari yakara. Because me ma dege no say wa baby party. Imune Dunusage na wa muwa. But maybe well, Dunusage, oh, thanks for coming. Oh, all the way from the United States. You come party for Germany. You know, if you say thank you, we really appreciate seeing Odionosage for the first time. Oh, it was so great to spend time with him. All you guys were just interested in talking about was Begesi party there. Oh, what chieftain party here? Oh, what Begesi party? Oh, what chieftain party here? What kind of words is that? Eh? What kind of word is that? That was wrong. You don't talk to people like that. You on a live stream, on a live video, people are watching you. You are bringing your fellow human being down. How many women don't come out for live video say Odionosage they sleep with them or they date Odionosage? Or a shift or who were there? Or a shift or a Sarah? Or a shift or when a kids? Oponoro wodo. Your husband they steady they drive on. See the kind of words where they come out from your mouth. Eh? No man, uma go tell on we live video jena. A live video jena, no they talk that kind of thing again. How you they talk so Odionosage go chief women pint. When you see Odionosage say a blue women come, Odionosage did not came there with a woman. Odionosage did not left that party with a woman. Eh? Why are you people like this? We are asked now to tell you that the kind of things, the things that you do was wrong. You they vex, say people they talk to you, they tell you the truth. You see Odionosage. Can't you at least use your mouth to bless somebody? Now you use your mouth to talk for that live stream. Say, Benin people, they know they talk the one way good. That's so bad. But you also copy, you also do it the same thing. Thank you very much, Mama. You understand? You know, use your mouth, praise that guy for coming from America to attend. It's a good thing. Not good me with the quarter. It's a good thing all of us get peace. We get a love for ourselves. That guy, nobody else, even me, I don't expect to see Odionosage there. I was very, very happy to see him there. I was so happy. Despite before that day, we were not like this. But I was very happy, you understand? Till now, we are still not like that. But that moment that we spent together is a great time. I enjoyed it. It was a good thing. Una just enter moto. All shift a party, and all shift away, care Odionosage on way. They take it Odionosage on way. We very all shift party kunike. What come Odionosage we kiare konwe. You understand because it's so ma bu wa ogogo. Ike Winifred we eri kun. Egbe ma bu wa ogogo. Ogogo. I'm telling you. Obo kare social media or Facebook ina. We a Christian or we hima. Over hima. Egbe me video ni no lada wo nu wa ni emma. Woma be tia be no yare or be skirt or be party or be no ba e birthday room mamu dia na fie cake ba they no cut cake before you come out Now birthday you come. You could not even wait. If truly you respect a pa, what is 50 euro? What is 40 euro for you to rent even a room? To carry one room. The other one will still carry you or your husband will do one room. To carry one room, just say, ah, partner, because of you, I come this party and I have to attend this party to the end. You will carry one room, you will stay there. The next day, you will drive back to Benjo. Now, but if you take one room, the birthday, no, uma deba group picture. Nele birthday, no, uma deba cutting of cake a picture. Uma revani, uwa la moto emena for wunuwe. Oko no rogo donia ba wa egba tuta ya ga. Even said the woman be tama we ire live video o ma gbo egbe no stop. Una yata wo ne ma egwe wa ti gbegbon wo ne ma egwo duga ki eri my sister ude ye be ni yata nai ima mu ebo gbo betu we awe ni we ti ebo ni ma ebo ni on lelu we because emi ni we wu ni we yu ni we ta eki ni we do e maduka we e ma uma we say my dear sister uma we say only respect ere ya respect oma ere ya use no at all. You don't do away. Eh? You don't do away at all, Kate. May we talk truth. Nobody they say they beat, nobody dislike you. When you do marriage, we celebrate you. Why you not announce yourself the way you announce this whole thing? The way you were gossiping about a birthday, this thing, gossiping about people. You say you could have also announced yourself, but your own marriage. I hate people who know they always know another person. I don't like people like that at all. Your own marriage, you sit down on top of our own thing the very day, until one day before your marriage, before you expose it to the world that you want to get married. No talk, no drama, nothing. It was peaceful. Everything went well. People that celebrated you, not many past people who call you man talk to you. Now people who you don't first throw mat to, I can still talk to you. Because marriage is a good thing. You understand? Onya agwa we me Roma no. Who got by a marriage or marry grown woman like you, or poor babin weje, who marry me no pan of him, I got the wogi can we way. Oh, woman, see man and not tobacco bonage. You way we see where Kate, who get a point to me. Wogi can we way a minivan, who woman measure a gemini women. Don't woman in we good one there move where was woman pronouncing your man with a good one way, or managa good one, agbo yaga go, who we are swing your money. Was when you mammy no never ya area area ye wagaje party or make when it comes to party egbe no jewe or kiamu no comfortable no or kiajo very mejena na make ya other way when e keti na no mare Obasanjo abi no mare Buhari igu die party ni wa aje gan no tu osoto ni meri amujo. You understand? If I so waro if you not comfortable niya, jo. O makame, thank God there's so far my kind of life, I know they live my life to please anyone. I live my life to please me. Don't live your life to please anybody. Live your life and please you what is good for you. You went there, you look at what people wear, this today you come to where even if you did not mention Germany, we all know you are coming from a party. Say now people where did now you they refer to. Now make we see another way. You understand? I knew very only my sister. I knew very only sometimes in life in all is very, very, very important. Feeling too big is not good. Okay? Feeling too big, what is comfortable for you, what you like is not what another person like. The way you use math to destroy everything about that party, people where it come, it was very, very bad as a mature woman like you. It was so wrong. See the way you guys tease Ojonosage. Anybody don't know Ojonosage, they go feel say Ojonosage is a flatter. Though Ojonosage a flatter, no really mayaga areba, they don't call ya with the nobody. Oviere man no. Awa enjoy kubana danyo me yana chikugbe anari emi wo na we everything na dad oge na kpare. Do bia no re no. O bia na wo ewu yo ni sano. Ah owo ni sana ye malelo no na be na ata. But no, o ma jeve di oni. When we ya ata, e o wa be a skate eku. He go chief their pen, he go chief their now wetin dey hungry you be that one. When no run e Sarah. Emi no wa akon we wa the hekyo Ojonosage yo wa akon we life and direct. He pronounce say he prick the hungry you. He pronounce all wa akon we na wu. You understand? Or see any we got jealous. Out of jealousy, we are going with all base static will care because o ma so but when any man saw my bo o man do a here be your do a die or maybe no ya tie or do I do you make what die. I knew very my people. If you know lads and know why my yard judge wa. Oh what to agbe. Oh what to agbe. Emma. Uye patu mamu jane na fie keku kekpa uwe pa umare ge o emu na disturb ege ni ma ya he pa di mo fie live video ge we be ya wo gugu eta le tata toto wo do ni later ware prove where for talker just say you are sorry. Sometimes even me we dey so sometimes I do drink sometimes. Of course you go to party you will drink. You understand? Now it's in the sweet pass. You know, all the shame, you call the dance, they do everything. And when you do something out of alcohol, you will apologize to the people. Tell them that I'm sorry, not be so now, not me now. I be no one do this kind of thing. You understand? But you know, I just people for us. This is how you talk. Don't argue. Who are you sending a warning to? And social media no we do by my me no to that me swear like video before we carry kids. Esther talk show a live video now. Only mommy wait I go like where move go to nigga bet at least me no my women I'm pretty sure you have never seen me this kind of this before I converse before this party converse me want to really provoke me. Especially that video where you do to Esther talk show the thing verse me that's it. I cannot even explain how angry I was when I watched that video. You understand? Here where me reg be na social media. But only mommy we who wa ohuoba no wa total why wa reke oje. Mommy respect her why. Uwa re amebo uwa akala we mo ni respect you we gbi we. I want to play the record here. That record is very rotating. Go and drop that video on your page, my sister. Go and drop that video. That was wrong. Go and drop it. Erio. I go and bury the honey. Even if we start to show my go to work. Or maybe when you go boya, everywhere here. If my way we go coming in that go. Oh, when I want me go man after me. Erio. Oh, mama na be two money. Then next time I be two when you wait it to start. You don't know. Ego age bana o ejo pa waje. Ego age bana ma be je, ego age bana hero we ajiwe. Ego bona ni majena. Ego da udioma o ma dioma. You understand? We bona ni mawaje na na we na yare we bona. Udioma no ma dioma ni. You can't wo ma ni ele no ri you egbe no ri you ma ni egbe ebe plus no ri adi life man. Respect is the reciprocal. You understand? You give me, I give you. So this life be. You understand? Who will carry to the person you know go get anything with more for that person body or even add to you. We should learn how to treat one another. You understand? We should learn how to treat one another. Okay, you dey talk saying na so the journey fine na so you were busy. In with a lolo, no panoro, no flack on this, no go ma flack on this. Ni na me a flack on the social media be there. Even ni atam money. You understand? Wele lolo na muwebo wieni. Wele lolo muwebo wieni. Ya gwe gwa wie we live video ga go buka we live video wieni. That we concentrate when we need to work career I never before work like that. Imagine we pack it right. Anyway, shall one even we not pack it right legbe. Who purpose we want because we have avanaba well no do rush se rani. Never do snap when we social media akwa do where we are who here. That kind of mindset is not good to like somebody. You don't have to have that kind of mindset. My dear sister, when I get to a party, now me by myself get off my chair, go ask the woman where they serve food. Say, food still there. So when I realize me and my friend where that I come, we would like to eat. She served us. This is it because my mind clear as I reach there. And I even sit down for inside the party they eat. Mamu like koko yari ebae. Ebae no isa. You understand? Why don't we have to do that? I could do when we do party on the area. Women will go to the party. Who were there for you will not to when we are say party. You understand? So I don't know why they behave somehow that you're pushing to your mind. We got to free our mind when we are doing some kind of things. You understand? We got to free our mind. Me, I went there with a pure heart, with a clear heart, and I jolly with everybody. I don't wait for anybody to come hug me before I hug them. Because if anybody will call me, anybody do hug me, I hug everybody. I start to show them my yaya mo egbe de already before me kiss it o gieni ege jame iku awoni yaya gi me lo o time me ne we awona is she's happy to see me me the power at JC e pada irati JC me we at JC ni me my yaya eri agbo yaya mo de you understand do work it e go even ni ago here o se no here man atuo we before somebody will walk that way to say hello or to come with you. There are ways you look at that person. You don't really tell that person if you are happy to receive that person or not. You understand? Some of they do this, that person not great to now. Your attitude towards that person can tell that person, if I go greet this person, the person not going to answer me. You do like this. You see now, Ariel, my dear sister. No, I don't know why I don't you they talk today. Now, so you go swear for the person, you cost to swear for the viewer. If you swear for our viewer, if you swear for us, that's where they follow you. Money and night, go follow you, kids. If you try and swear for us, it go follow you. Because now the truth that we can't tell you. Now the truth that we can't tell you. Nothing but the truth. I don't do saga. That is why my page is not like you guys. Oh. I know they do saga, but when I see the truth, I will say it. You understand? Now, when I do saga, saga. But when I see the truth, I will say that this thing that you did was wrong. If you were not wrong, you never see me come out to talk to you. You understand? My baby was on social media. Me when I dare him, I don't have a dare me. So my dear sister, why away? Woman have anything you want? Away problem you must not reply anybody. Sometimes I will overlook her. Woman, why that kind of person don't have to say sorry. You can forget. You don't have to reply. You understand? You don't have to reply. You don't look up. You understand? This guy is speaking. I'm nice today. You understand? You just look up. The way you guys were talking to everybody was bad. Look at how you address Odion Osage. No respect. No respect. You want to give the boy a bad name. Why can't he have social media? Oh, wait up, biscuit. This cat is not bad. That's why I don't know about your born when it gets me. I want Babana Wamwa, my why you was your one gig. Or born when it's Serania. Only Serrano rock cloud, and if you go get anything, you understand. Here we could do you understand? You won't understand because she's a single, no problem. I agree on it. Clear. But when they married, you want to take or when they say, no, that's how you know. We a live video je na we amuri live video we go atota yo we ya we partner atota yo we o we ma no go mo live video we wado ata le ruwe je eru we je no ma like am ma ni we gwe na ne amebe ni o ni figure me ma wo ya e ti amawu nu we sometimes you still dey miss am ame ma ni gwe na na e ma egunyi me ni ma my head is feeling deep. The feeling is deep. You ever take me your so we know you wanted it. Now the take all the pain now because you were repeating it. Even if you ever know because the way they say they shift woman, woman not follow the mark. You know carry woman promote. The shifting of his shift. Obokare social media mani ohuwa.
You know one again. Just the bagwa. On that one.
Obokare mani ohuwa. Obi aboku agri ye we gbe seto. Paso viere aye. Egbo e bana iye be ko yo gbe. Edu ma re wo ko ma ye de ni lawa. Won wa do so viere wu no re. Can't not be so. I don't tell you. Behave yourself, Don't come and don't want anybody again. Nobody be cheating. Stop referring to people as if that you don't see them, say they are nothing. At the end of it, no good. Or when I twag the state, or when I twag, although twag the near Bema, although twag, you understand? We're still like that. I mean, a boy when you are good because except to wear an about even imagine and Maba while we get money, married say bonnet. The time I got here, Okay, na le you na be tie ni ma of me gbo be go ero because when no say ni na tie be on ma be but I just tell you the truth. We be analyze the video on my social media. You understand? We be analyze the video on my social media. So not be so I don't come here and say I come here can't tell you the truth more they behave ourselves who till they talk because at this kind of now they do to invite somebody for party go be hard. Egbe mi wa una to invite somebody party all logo a full grown woman ko ba me we wa so wa by party ro wa so wa gossip that dog o ko ni ma ni reyan je drossy we je gaboro a girlfriend we sera e feel DP party we bro ya pull a card the social media uwa moko baru uwa review uwa kamera mo nyime nyime we agba we mo ye video na zoom unyimi we na be gba we na be awokuno we mo nyime yo okuno ma we hin we zoom again even we zoom we no we there on we zoom we on wa hia boy greet na greet me or I greet you we no matter one why in short what if you give you that right what if you give you that moral feel say Esther will come greet you for what reason Esther will just get or somebody will sit down with your husband you'll get or come greet you for what? Is it by force? She will just get to come greet you. What if you give you that morale? Now, wow. The can't one of the request sometimes they think they baffle somebody. Oh, what my go back to 2 or 4 waiting. A party pature. Umamu jana fike kukekba. I don't tell you, I just want to let you know this one. Me no say nobody they fear nobody for this social media, but our respect we get for ourselves. Nobody fear nobody for this social media. We only have respect for ourselves. You understand, Kate? May you let the respect go on like that. You understand? Get what I very only. A respect in the man anyway. Get very only, my dear. Don't lose it. Now respect we get. Not be saying nobody they fear. If somebody did not come to say hello to you, go to the person. You disrespect so many people. You throw words to them. That's all. You don't know you want follow snap picture. Oh, mama na go lele my picture. You will leave her. If somebody dress we put for body, if na my dress that make you want snap picture with me, and you see I say I no dress way for you to take picture with me, go your separate way. It's never a force to take picture with somebody. It's never a force to take picture with somebody. If to snap picture now the clothes we person put for body, that person say they take picture now with somebody. If the person dress not let you take it, follow and snap picture, you go your separate way. This is what I know. You don't go to advise people on what they put on. It's like looking down on people. You don't look down on people. Don't look down on people. It's very bad. You don't look down on your fellow human being. Where I had then bitter and then I'm a say I'm gay. Mono marry ye be ya on my see. No be the dress we person wear, no person way they good. No be the makeup where you wear, no be the they no get 5 face. You understand? No be the thing where you put for body, they no responsible. Art everybody for this life. Me personally, now your mind now they look. If I want to near you, I know they near you because of say you they get level 1,000 viewers for Facebook. I know they near you because say you fine. They look straight into your heart to know the kind of person. Because it takes a good heart to keep a good friendship. It takes a good heart to recognize if you even do something for them, they go recognize her. Not be waiting you put for body. A lot of people they put better clothes for body. They are useless people. Useless, the most useless people so far. So when you want to be friends with somebody or you want to be close to somebody, look at the person, man. Look at who be this person. This person, now person with the legs go if problem. Now person will get good mindset. Our me man wa mu die davigbe. Ina so waro. Iye wa mu die davigbe. Na so iya ri gwa mu ebo or anything ginoma. Ima na do tona lele me o. Ima mi o ma no perfect ma gbona bi je me. I'm your man, I can't go bona. Oh man, we are what feel where you are miss perfect. Who may no go ego. I mean no perfect if I bona. So you cannot escape all those things. Say you know what me person tell you stuff for your body, you know what person tell you stuff for your body. If you are there to celebrate with somebody, celebrate with your heart and leave the rest for God. Celebrate with your full mind, with yourself, with your body and your soul. Now, person that buy ticket on the way from the United States come to Germany. All the way. He did for a plan. Even if I thought it not be Germany be the first country where he land, maybe he land somewhere. But Germany was one of his plans to come. Do you understand? He bought the ticket from United States of America to come here, or Canada. I don't know where he was coming from, Canada or the States, to celebrate. No talk of you wait there for Belgium. The person wait until a pack cut cake for a commode. He can wait to a pan or sick from a kenimeke, from a part to a kenimeke ade. We say Belgium. If you pass Aachen for Germany, you don't enter Belgium. If you pass Aachen, you don't enter Belgium. Eh? Not be Belgium. I don't feel they go Belgium. If you pass Aachen, you don't enter Belgium. Eh, my dear sister. Eh, to what me reveal you don't have a zig. When I make you cake, but where to meet up. But also around 12 o'clock. After all, my mom will bomb me. Now you are your husband and your friend feeling deep like that follow each other. Eh? What is that? Don't be so, my dear sister. I'm not here to insult you. I not say me they still curse you, but what give my done me jiyawu. So that one I be for K too. You understand? Okay, Johnny Bizugbe. Oh, Johnny Bizugbe no koye period delay I na be France. Lare. Wa gbe wine. Ibizugbe ne no ma negbe. No we e bizugbe. Yene ne ni na be mune. No we e bizugbe. Wa gbe wine e bizugbe. Nuna we e win audio sa give us star of him with social media. Eh? No koye period delay I na. No ma negbe ni kwe France yo your own. E kwe mu we bia na kwe ge dazen. No ya ladi wa ge we. Ima oni ya ge we because ima even ya tama we. You understand? Imagine that because he wa hewe bia ni ku ojoyo ohun ayoyo ohun eku emuwe o bia bu bia we ma si bata na yari loto ojo no sage we si bata na yari loto. You need to see him face to face before you talk to him. We si bata na ojo yari loto we si bata na yari loto we na fi pego ma hewe o we try e boni no bia do am gbe social media we violadia. We violadia. Ibizugbe no make no carry. We ovie do because do ovie do he. Emi we have a video we tie ugo okwe na re beg bogwe na ya te bode bono ni ukwe ni eboropa. We agele a ovie do. We na gele a ovie do. Wa we ebo evie do ya nya. You understand? We few bege ebono rewo we very oni uwe few bege bono rotedo. I may time we na we be record no. When we have but the bono ni Dame bononiche una few be una figia. It may time when I went to a few beg bonorotedo. You understand? A bonorotedo busy who few be una figia. One motor busy be waga motor. Where go a few be who few gear a bonorotedo way. I know Emani when a ball. I got a bebo who a woman more here. To a way he have a mono na yata because why? Even now, you understand? I be man when I do RUG. No mono bano rekete. If I don't have a bima with a bono rotedo, I very Eugenia. When I feel when I figure bizugbe. When I feel because one one, if we move, oh, beja, oh, be a buebu, oh, be on me, if we move, we're not being do I even go with Facebook when never done it in where we are with Zoom. Oh, be away. We should go to us. I get be way. Although lad that when never done it in any ya with Zoom. On my very only way ran no way. No man money no cake any a few beggy. Wow. Oh, very you on. Oh, you are no bizugbe. Wave swear. Was Jeremy no soon? Wave stab a dear web boveg and a ruaria lilia. Wave swove. Wave swove. Wave with barrier who wave muliluviere. Oviere wave dear Europe toy. None of it was still one leia. Wave with barrier one wave mulile. Bizugbe with a ball like bill. Because this time I no way. Eh, na came your man like a bona. ona wo shape social media president una wo no do mu ma no ye pacho no do mu ya rovie iba bo na we gbe because social media president maka we wo bia wo ga beg go be social media president malaja we ne ma ni ari ho no unwe social media president o to gbe ba fun o to gbe wo wie o to gbe wa vie yoro be to gbe wa ha bia la bed o to gbe benu we jena na we ne bonu we atie be do because we tie bonu ya ne we ne bo pa no we amugbo ma na be do ni na no he do win na because we fie kegbe ya we bo ba ro we no akwo ni we de bono ni hi eru ya tene ne bo ima oni be e record we no mama be vana udege ya listen to a video no be when mo nyi me ne bono rebo we do man he ga me respect na we me respect that bono rebo we do man we he ga me respect that bizugbe na ye period le ba na ni ko ni reference yo hun ne olaluwe ni bizugbe u behave gbo ile gia we hele gia salo bizugbe u behave gbo bizugbe lawa ojo no sage wa ye gbe waria na ma waria be wa ye gbe bizugbe o sage don't go. Who said you don't talk like that? Not saying I'm Monica, saying no, please don't say that on my platform, okay? Me, I judge people based on what comes out from their mouth. Don't say that. You understand? Monica cannot say somebody to insult another. Don't say that. Ibizu be jealous you are a jealous somebody. You understand? You are a jealous somebody. When it was a period delay right now, what about genocide on the real fact? When maybe we at your bono on the social media. What about genocide? You guys are not in any way. Hi, pretty. Good afternoon, my darling. You guys are not in any way of the same grade. Try it. La janu do your genocide. Mabe mugbehewe. When la jan we do tie bone iwa bo lawe gbe won do no saje o togbo onwe pa social media president o togbo onwe star o togbo ya togbo we togbo ave ye togbo wa be yore o mi ni ya gwe no na because we fie kegbe bono revo we o wie do because we are o wie do o fi be ge e bono redo we na ga gele o wie do we na gele o wie do bizugbe ibizugbe e boni be iya be bizugbu weni. Because we over here do where he wear few there who few any who figure bono red do figure where I ya not you where who we make him and send it abi it don't know na Edo Bini is not a Christian kingdom boy ya nya do or say na me we here dia we bebo bunu ya yes even a traditional even I believe or no. This is a new model life. Another mere way ya do a church, Christian aduaro. Ebo, evie do ya jaga. Ebo, or mono webo no rovu yeto. Any I got no divoya. It is a wave me in way, no mudiano way because we're tea boni yade. In have a fieke buene. In have fieke bue. Understand? A jealousy or see. Nana me when I have few, but when I forget bonorotedo. Iya agbu adakamioru nyo here when nyawna we gbegwe started a social media president there osagegwa adakamioru nyo ogbu e den wa fi we lated oni oh you e call you boy you are oh lelegbu eya bizugbe we are fi we like doni e na ta social media that we ware we go we are wa fi we like doni we that you who we na kan o ekenedo who we na ka yeye okay we miami. Because why? The real citizen of Benin, even the women no marry do who has the webo because of money. Because of tachere bizu bediri honu ma emie wa gbowe na no ado gwalo be Facebook. Because he work well like Facebook. Bizu bediri honu ma emie. Thank you very much, darling. Di honu ma emie na we ya like we bonu we ado gwalo be Facebook. No waya we rule kiti de na no na de go wa di go no mai mi di go no mai mi no na de go wa bizugbe no waru lede wa de fia no ya fia me we nu no de go wa ni gbofo gbo no degi yeke aunu ya me odio imati oviere yin imati pa social media yin imame tie Esther yin Esther gbe o ma ye video we gbe o wo video oviere wo agwa be lele na boy kan we kan Esther na so oviere gani viere na de too active with Facebook that dog na gwayo iviere be la ugwa ne na ai be mo po mi ya be ni ya be ya be Facebook udo mo we un da obiere be die we bo na no we do pe na ne that dog e bo ya no like na ni ya prepare ni ya attend the show oge un da be nu je wa do si obiere we la dia wa bo la we gbe ogun ogbo abisugbe ugbe o me wa me ni me kina ame tin ya go egwa moja me wa me moja bisugbe ugbe o ni ko ye period le ba ina ugbe o we no e petoku alaluwe bisugbe no laluwe bisugbe do ve boyo do laluwe we me bonu we have because we tie bonu yan nu we ya you nu we pa mi sigia ge boy ye ge de bono ni hin we ya ta ye e boro pa no we de gbemu na be ken we me be bo pa we ave ge anybody na be ko ni we because e body we ma respect gbo ma bu go de be bo gi o ma na be ko ni wa o wa bisugbe do ve boyo do we laluwe alaluwe unu we ya laluwe ni we ya god genocide go we mi genocide even ezomoko black beauty hey god salobua even ezomoko owe gugu aberi onu we inu we gugu agbe o we ekeno genocide na agwa deru da we na me we ugbe so Facebook na ado agun agbe so abedo agun ma na ti gugu ma mi ya bo da wa agbon na ti we gugu ado agbo egbego we ti go genocide go we na mi ya bo da wa agbon we crew no le lo genocide here mi o genocide be party social media president we bia ne gapa no le lo genocide no lele mudi asose we mia wazu agwele beggar Facebook beggar no begi vizomo igo kuwe like social media bizugbe igo kuwe like social media uwa like social media ma pe obi owo ni adori donate go no wazaga irikai wa kudu de yokere obe gono na o okere aye fe dan we be de social media aye nuwe ojo ne sage ye gbo wa vake uwa mo bojo wa va ye gbebe po ojo ne sage bega ojo ne sage be biebe de ne na obi do less social media obi do ayi we ni mari ho ni eni ya izomo we no una na kweko even na we to farao una na kweko urive na ko ne okwo na bie soto una like Facebook na we never to ri ho no we ya zomo ai what a disgrace I'm telling you. What a disgrace! Who were folly adu? Who were that's you disgrace yourself. I'm trying so hard to speak Benin because it's not something that I'm really used to. You disgrace yourself too much. You fall your hand as a man. You disgrace yourself. You put your golo if you put her that you drop her that make you take play. Wow. When you fancy your o ma gbon we be ru da wa gbon ya like social media go na be do la go na be do agun we are go pa social media president go e ma ya me go pa social media social media president go we are be go wa gbe o ayewe ye president work a president re a pa social media president have worked for that name. No man or woman can take that name away from him. He worked so hard for it. Everybody, why you have to no social media? Then why you be anyone? I don't buy la diaba kwa do where he had me where I wear my big no money and about it because everybody have worked so hard for their name. Everybody, oh my bully or not by one, not by bully not by one, not by. Now this name all fly go the name go dey fly up and down. It go dey fly but the money e be ro na o we no pa. The money e be o we no pa. Wow, wa bizugbe. Wa o wa. Wage o. Wago le periodo. Wage no laluwe. O laluwe benuwe waje. Munu kenge wazaga where go and learn how to talk. You don't even know how to talk. You don't know. You are not a real son of the Benin kingdom. You are not a son of a Benin kingdom. Ibizugbe, you are not from Benin kingdom. For real, you are not. If you are a real son of a Benin, real son of the soil, you would have known that no way you would throw a mat to our own ancestors. We were born with ancestors, or ima. The matter where ancestors, or ima. Where if you knew Guinea, where they born on the thing, they born on the here. Owamu when you are a bebo, we not can fear where they born on the who when anything. Our own ancestors who are well for throwing mat to them. Wow. Iya afiye ke gbo de ni me alawo gbo wa mi o me arele lawo gbo social media na me we era me social media president keke be style do pa yi keke be genocide here na go where you boy me alawo gberu din ya me alawo gberu din me ame lawo gberu da me o agunu we do ti e bo me o lawo gbe because ekendo ayaku me understand. Ekendo ayaku me before ki tenity no kosane doni kabo we kabo rizine iwari you know your proper. Yes, omono eke no ke de before ki tenity no kosane do, I know the way to talk about it. I don't just put my mouth because I'm sitting on the live screen to talk to people. Bizugbe wa gbe o erikai wa gbe o wa would be you know no man who take a video no wa muge wa o ka no ga o kiki enu e would be laja we video no kosane a social media president or Osagi or Esther, especially next time I deal with Bona big anything no kosane Esther big Esther ni gbofo gbo e ba gbon jealousy. The night of all we go for, or what Jerusalem afi go the power, all we go for, a marry go near me, Piero, Igbo bue, beggar and uge, or je, Ekia will do me go no yak bow mo, Ebie, Bekia will guinea, day, I'm a wawe, Ebie, or my name will go no yak bow govier, or my cannot be. Woman, will go no yak bow go, Ebie. Yeah, Larry, no, I beg you Facebook. Am I if you duro as with Germany? But no, I did Germany, no, do ya duro. Who are Gabriel and ya sanu. Or can you at benefit of my carne? A right in my anno, and Nigeria body benefit, a Ghana, a Russia, a Germany, a German citizen on Yabu, Nayari benefit, or my carne, or can you benefit go? But no, I did Germany, do ya do ya working and I do no bell back bizubu. Yadi oboka wejo bisu gbe yadi oboka wari eke na nari aduro be Germany gbe monu ade Germany wana do yari aduro mi ari ebe yo to iwo teme no iri ebe me yo to ikawe no ma be ne na no bi to ya never ni me kawe ne ma be ne iwe ne ma iwa mo bo wa epi aduro kakabo me be vin aye wa gbe so e do stop na because e bo me hu dan yake iye gwa say ena do suobo woni mami wi aye be mi ma no ma ye be wu yo bone bizugbe we no boka we gbegbo no die Germany iri ari wa duro ekena na dia duro o ya dia duro we bani no do ari he Germany sise France ya sa no wase imanari ejo ibe mu we die Facebook dota ibe mu we die Facebook do disgrace we no boku we gbegbo na no wa die Germany ekena na dia duro iri ya ahia o ya view boy yo to we bani osun ari we ge ni go be Facebook we akabo ge ban mani region wa me boy mi go be Facebook abu waru wa dege ya also what we benefit igwaze obo a egi mari ne benefit ihoma ofu egbese na jage oma ige Facebook efu egbe o say no but una like you know where I like obokoko na go me wa jane on look at we gba do a video we gba do ayi mi go ne ma ji go me bisu gbe we no ka we call it o e expect a call wa we no wo ka ni no bie no ni mic no e bie no we ni ya tie me imu ya ri kina na ri aduro we no ni ya ri aduro Egeni we do ari he jama, we do aye jama sinwa, jama too good, jama too good, jama magbe, jama magbe, jama is the best, jama is the best. Anyway, he ya so. Egeni we do we no say the man like if ye jama aketeme jama ma atako man in because he go ni ari ni ma ene kere. He aketeme jama atako man in. We do we no say na ye jam ni sinwa. You understand? We come woku we no day. Me man iti yo woku we ari kina na ria duro ni meri be yo to no woku we mo gwan. Iri ebe yo to no woka wo ya do what teme no. Abi mo woku we ade sitting in measure wana. Oro died ni meri wana. Iwe no man e bizugbe. We no woka we ade. Imana we no we dey oni dada. Because of what twagbe. As a man, we no be anuki. Okay, can no lad as a full grown anything no man ama kick against e. Enu ale ye totoku. Ekwe muwe. Ebizugbe na ye period delay by na. We no woka we ade. We no woka we ade. Iri ebe ye ka mi igbebe gie, igbebe, iri ebebe photocopy vie yo, I send the area quarter can have your boy you to. I wo teme we no. I carry we no ware no. I wo teme no. Odori aduro we voda. Wa be like wa only go ni ka bo apolo. We wa lost, we wa zozola wagbo. We be di egbe ladian. We zozola wagbo. Ye do mudi as a single mother. Always single mother ye hio. Ye wa we me fi abu wagbo. Ye ma ye mi a we ye. O we no. O take me ye wa. E we no yari adoration kama wena. O we tote wagbi ye wa. O we no. O we no kese de we me like Germany. Aya use ogo me ya. Your boy way, or go me way do you have your boy auto so that oboku work at time and go me with him. We worry where you go me we are follow up again ye logo because if him on la with banana. Me may make no ma ro wa gbovo ma no face away. Wa gbovo ma no mass away. O ma ne here ti the wako do no we na ri ho ni yen. Ne here ti do ivia wa gbovo wa deal with it. Why ya ti deal with odun why ya ti deal with genocide here bizugbe kamame why ya ti iho noa iyo ma noa o me yo masewe o me go sewe o me mo sewe when we jo bolede kororo we he bizugbe iri obokan wo yari aduru as single mother be Germany we wana ogwo me mo kin o we tutu ya be gbin ye we o se ni na le o igbon ni yo to kupun we ibe yare we do yo ni follow up in Germany as o me abe de bo me ari inu ari ebi no mari no woku we ugwa agwa ladia no do gwe no do wure gbegbo ojo no sa gegwo or no do be gesta or ebi no ma kan we a social media president ma tie ni we o ma gu we gwa o ma forward the message igwe ugwa ladia no do rovi iba bo la we gbe be there try we gbe try bizugbe we gbe try we wa we ni yeah wa we I will deal with you. How do you deal with that person? You tell me, I tell you. Bisugbe we gbe try jobo kan wa ade imana ri obo kan wa ri aduro as ni vie be yo dey ogo we sure no e na ba beta I we sure I yari ebe ne be wona I yari ne be wona e we maybe we awa we o wa ri ama da ri ni Iwa ya we yo born because you need help. You need help. Iwa yo ni wa ya we yo born we. Na why no yo boy yera me kure. Ye social media president. Iwa ya we yo born we. So that when you got begging, we do test get Germany. No we do test. No do give me no rien. No we do give me no rien. I yo ni ya we yo born we bizugbe because of what twagbe. You understand? Owa twagbe imale ko bia na egwa take a stand ore asopia is very very bad. Ile ko bia no gwa take a stand ore obia waro asopia umudi asopia ne man le ko bia no le iye koko awewi o bala me iye koko le iye kema awewi me le ke gbon awewi oni. Let's start way wakabe gwesta gwa be geni wa be go de gbe be sun ege Emana, we be reason egbe very on ma. Egbe very on ma. Wa ma te give na ga yesta even se fe show here e bu ma jo. If ma make it go in here ya make it wa be go egbe be so again. Do you know what it means to get a visa to come to Europe? You know what it means? You think it's just easy like that? They'll just carry a visa and give her. She worked very hard to get that visa to every Europe country to get visa. She worked so hard for it. So allow her to gain it. It was there. We are musician with the name, now they support to where. Allow you to give you again, you're gonna invest yo. What is your problem, Bizugbe? If you are hungry, if you don't have money, no problem. Just come to Germany. I will show you the way. I will show you the way, Bizugbe. I go show you the way. I go show you the way. If I say me, I go show you. I more work a warrior duro if you be measure. Bizugbe na okay, live video jina. Iye no man ye ka we dane. Egbe man be we din ya mere man na. Despite wetin ya gbe me yes, problem mi ro. Eri o saloba iye bu ma mo bo ma yes. But saloba ni we na. Ya kama we wo saloba bless me be se di unema. Itoge. Igbo sa yes saloba wa me bless me. Ugbe se wa total a favor the best expect wa come we re. Even me na me gene e ni me wu no ma. O si e ina we mi no ma mo na e. Imo wi ti ebo igwa ti ebo no ma. Imwe bogboe because osalobo agbeso of the your best on the my expert ugbese yeso so run of sunu dake we no ya work yin we no ya we yin we no saloba ya we iswe ma no wa mu no ma ri di agbon emewa he iswe ma no wa mu no ma di agbon na emewa hunwi me o wa we na pon. I'm telling you, not be say joke. Every day na ta na the way I tire na e we regbe isi opoge na wo saloba no jime. Oh, the way then in Atana, and then when I give me a favor, no, what was Saloba no jime, or even oh Saloba, maybe no yajime. Then I'm a special children image, you get me today. Or say you not see me do I go see a Facebook in a mamma you anytime you know yajime ya ladia. What do I give anyone appreciate to what? He been a Iwe saga. You understand? Iwe saga. Iwe with ya mostly Lomanak Binani Mevedo, I may viewer wa. E magare do view a jury problem. A problem man be aro ye mudia o se ni na. E man ma understand of ye viewer. I'm telling you. E man ma understand of ye where you need a 1,000, you need a 2,000. 2,000 and mudia will make a problem. Umana make it back where umie 2,000 ne or do na degi yeke. Our me money wa me 2,000 with Facebook na. Our me because why? Iya making ni Iya gwa ma like yade. Oh, we no use a problem ya gwa le viewer. Why a problem gwa le viewer? A problem ya fo iya le. Or see e worry gbeve. I don't feed from Facebook. I just do what I like doing. You understand? So ibizugbe. Una need to go my brother. I be 10 years brane. For real. Okay. Contact me. Kama mewe momi je gwe emeni uni ifi were ne giodema me giodema egekwe we giodema we bizugbe so that Facebook that una do imi ho na imi ho wo we bia ma ko bedo aka mi ma we ma bedo donate ne me gba donate egbego ni ya ken wa janu we to bia janu anyway la janu do awe wa wisdom o de ma do contribute wo nu we bo si oni re mo ye ki anu nu ya na ko eko obo are gbo be gboko nu we bie nu mo wa we nu ya le lokun no bo be gbe obo gbo na we gboko no bie nu because they to bo ma gbo ni me ma dey any reason iwa aro na ibo abie no bia pa do laja me Facebook do awe wa do donate go ni ya wisdom ordinary 7 days no wa ya bie to e ko money si 1 year ana do me we nuke zigo yo to e ko kase 2 years ana do me nuke zigo yo 7 days after birth ugwali go de wa agbe obizugbe you are a useless man egbon abu we na do agbe ojo no sa gegun won mu we egbon abu we odo afipejo jonu sage for what reason pa bioji we no ma respect our ancestors we you have no respect for our ancestors you have no respect for our amadioa you have no respect for our ogun you have no respect for our eboto okay oh Saloma, if you know they do saga people won't try draw you go saga. Now so laugh you go they laugh because this is really not me, but not because I not a bit talk. Sometimes I just want to ignore some kind certain things. But don't provoke me, man. Don't provoke me to talk. Don't provoke me. What one I? No do ya mo biaro we Facebook. Yo wo kunwe. Jobo kan we ades Germany. Germany. Ya fiari ya na ya fiari ya be egbigo na ri no ma ewe ya. What wa adie bayan any place bayan bayan repay se le Germany ya. Bayan na igo ni marievo ije o we ga bie a pay go ya. O ma ye da city of e na be na repay se. If you don't know, you don't know. Even away ye one way ye aye caritas ya ka mia wo awe bed. Wa David no mo aye gbebe aye gbere no ari go na ya account. You wa avio ma kan